So I currently have youtube.com/spatha and youtube.com/spathy. So today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube URL. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your YouTube channel name has what you want your YouTube URL to be. For example, in order to get youtube.com/spatha, I had spath as my main channel name. Now, if you already have an existing YouTube URL, let me show you how to get rid of your old URL in addition to showing you guys how to change your YouTube channel name. So after you click on your profile picture on the top right, scroll down onto settings, and then under that, you're gonna click on edit on Google. So here you'll be able to edit your YouTube channel name. So once you have the channel name that you want, click on OK. I'm not gonna do that. Now under sites on the same page, you'll see your current YouTube URL. If you want to get rid of your current YouTube URL, just click on this pencil icon and you'll see an X to the right of your current YouTube URL. So after you click on X, you'll hit OK. Now you're only able to do this, I do believe, 3 times every 90 days. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so I just logged on to another YouTube channel just to be able to show you guys how to change your YouTube URL. So at the top right, you'll see your profile picture, click on that. And again, scroll all the way down to settings. And on that page, you're gonna click on channel status and features. Here you'll see everything that you could do to your YouTube channel, uploading, monetization, etc. And down here, you'll see custom URL. Now, in order to be eligible for a URL, you need at least 100 subscribers and your channel needs to be, I do believe, at least 30 days old. So I could click on here to claim my new custom URL. It'll bring me to this page. You're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. So I'm gonna click on here. As you can see, my current channel name on this channel is Hidden Ninjas. Now I could click to have youtube.com/hidden ninjas. Or I could add a character after my channel name, which is currently Hidden Ninjas. Like I could do Hidden Ninjas 123, or I could do any previous variants of my channel name. And after I have the proper URL that I want, I'm gonna tick the box next to it, read the terms of use, and change your URL. Now that is how you change your YouTube URL in 2020. Let me know in the comment section below what you're changing your YouTube URL to be. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.